Good morning. Today's video is about opportunities as a plumber. Pipe fitter, that's what you need to do. So the more training you get, the more opportunities you get. So all I can do is shortly just say when I retired from the VA hospital, I was in my 50s, early 50s. So I needed another job. So while I was getting ready to retire, I was looking around the world. I applied for the State Department. I applied for the, let's see, um, what do they call that department that works overseas? An embassy. Okay, so I applied for embassies and I applied for only one job here locally within the United States. So let me just go real quick. Okay, license. You need a license. That really helps you get in. So I'm a master plumber, as you can see, master plumber. Now you can be a journeyman, that's great, but you need to have a license because the opportunities will be better. Yes, you can get out of the military, you can get out and find these jobs also. Okay, so what did I do? I had a job offer for Afghanistan. I had a job offer for Iraq. I had a job offer for uh, working either in China or Russia for an embassy. Now, all those jobs were, you can have them. Just go take your physical and you have them. So I'm contemplating, oh, do I want to do this for sure? Let me check another place. So I looked online and they had a job at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. Well, the wife and I, when the kids all left, we were going there once a year, and so this is cool. This is a big place, and it looked like wow, this would be an exciting job when I'm retired. Work in the city, relax, have fun. So anyway, I applied for that job and I went for the interview that evening before I left back to Denver. They said you got the job. So I got prepared. I went to work there, and the job was good. I enjoyed it. There was a lot of interesting things to do there, but plumbing is plumbing, and pipes are pipes, and paydays are on Fridays, and shit goes downhill. So, or it's pumped uphill. So take your pick. But the job itself, the fun, there was a lot of good coworkers. Uh, the Bellagio itself was an interesting place to work because of just the variety of people, nationalities, and from people around the world. So we enjoyed ourselves. I'll say my wife and I enjoyed ourselves with Las Vegas. But after several years, we decided, you know what, this is not for us. This is not the type of place I want to be in, the environment I want to be in. So we came back to Colorado and found a job right away at a hospital. So you can find a job anywhere. And the main thing is, even there at the Bellagio, working in hospitals, working at the VA, this is the book you want to buy. Okay, commercial plumbing maintenance. Because once you get out of construction, maintenance is a whole different world. And a lot of people don't realize all the different maintenance things that are involved with being, controlling the work and not letting the work control you. This book will teach you that. You'll be at a big facility, I don't care how big it is, and there's so many different factors that come into play. It's having money to do the resources because they're always looking at the main thing. What can we do for the company? Like in Las Vegas, they're promoting gambling, so they want to spend their emphasis on gambling and fun and stuff like that. And so you have to convince them that you need to spend money in other areas, just like hospitals, just like anywhere. You got to convince them that in order to keep this building running and up to par, you need to do certain things. And this book will tell you how to do it. This is from years' experience. So go out there, become a plumber, be all you can be honest, be fair, and life will treat you right. So take care. Bye bye.